time is up.
I have an intervention.
His time is up.
Order, members.
Point of order. Point of order on what you raised.
Honorable Otiende, are you on a point of order? No. You're waiting to talk. All right. Honorable Kamket, are you on a point of order?
He has just come.
If you're waiting to speak, I will not give anyone now on a point of intervention. Majority Leader, please, you have 1 minute. Wind up. 1 minute.
Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, it's rather unfair to give me a minute and not allow me to speak when Honorable Millie Odhiambo continues shouting. But I was saying this, Honorable Speaker, because you are shouting for me not to tell you the truth, but I'll speak the truth to you as leaders from Luo Nyanza. You must stop mobilizing your people to death. You must say enough is enough and no more bloodshed. How many liters of blood do you want? For you to be able to negotiate yourselves in power, you shall no longer use bloodshed to negotiate yourselves into power.
Order.
No more bloodshed in this country to negotiate yourselves.
Order. Order, members. Order.